Well, hello everyone, my name is Rapidush, and as you can see here, there is a severe thunderstorm warning, severe thunderstorm watch. So I am here to go check out this thunderstorm. I don't believe this is here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go outside the maybe not outside the door, maybe outside the garage. Do I have to? So I'm gonna go outside in the place I don't want to be.
Oh my god!
Where?
What is this? What is this?
It's chaos.
The tree is falling.
The tree is gonna fall, yeah, right? Hey, it's not gonna get wet. It's not. Oh my god, no! I have to go check out other places. I'm gonna go check the. I'm gonna go. Crap, that scared me. God. So, as you can see, nothing has been affected to the other houses, but it looks like it's raining a lot. No lightning has appeared anywhere here. So let's go to the back. Oh my god. What's that soaking? How long is the video? This better not be wasting your time, but this is chaos. I guess my water gun is taking enough water. I won't have to fill it up tomorrow. So, that might actually be it for the video. So, bye.